Stand on business? Bitch, I sit on business. I'm not standing up for no hoes. No ovations do you get from me, bitch. I sit on business, bitch. You stand on that shit.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Des, of course, bitch. What's up, girl? So, in today's video, first off, get ready with me in the tessie. You already know it's on FSD, right? And I chose to take a street-only route because I realized, you know, when I was on the freeway, I was low-key playing with my life. So yeah, we're gonna go by street. Have to take pictures. If you guys didn't know, I'm a fashion up ambassador. Like, that's how a bitch gets paid for real. So I still have the tape-in extensions in. Like, these are clutch as fuck. Like, I love this company for real. If you want to see, bitch, you gotta watch. Oh my god, I look buff as fuck. You gotta watch my birthday vlog. Okay, but anyways, so we're gonna start getting ready. Okay, all the products will be listed down below for you guys. And yeah, it's a beautiful ass fucking day, you know, and I want to go enjoy it. Oh bitch, a butterfly just flew by my shit. I already put on my eyelashes and did my eyebrows because we're not doing that no more. For foundation, I'm going in with the Kylie Skin Tint, which is all over the face. At least when I'm on the street, you know, there's stops and shit, so I'm able to look at myself real quick. But like, you know, how I'm so close to the beach. Like, growing up, I had always said, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna end up in a fucking beach house. Like, as fuck. I'm gonna live closer to the beach to the point where, like, I'm gonna have a beach house, you know what I mean? And I remember living in LA, I would have to drive like an hour to fucking Laguna Beach. I would go through all that fucking traffic, all that bullshit, just to go to Laguna Beach for like a couple hours, you know? I feel like the beach is the most beautifulest thing ever, especially Laguna Beach. So yeah, it's really fucking nice, you know? And it's all clean. I think it's one of the cleanest ones out of the ones in LA or in Long Beach too. Ew. But no, for real though. Oh my god. Oh, that wasn't a stop for her? Okay. Who's doing a fuck ass U-turn? For concealer, you already know I'm going in with this hourglass one. Bitch, I love this shit so much. Like, this is the most full coverage shit, like, ever. I'm gonna do a little bit of this hourglass foundation stick as a contour. There's a cop right there. That shit just fell. Oh my god, there was a cop right there, bitch. What the fuck? Was that good driving skills? Fuck, imagine a cop just sees a bitch driving without holding the fucking, not even driving, fucking turning without her fucking hands on the shit. What the fuck is that? Did I not blend that shit? Are you serious? How long have, are you fucking serious? Nobody says shit, bro. Nobody said shit. I forgot eyelashes. Look how good that's so good. I'm using the budget on the friendly lip combo. NYX Pencil and Sandstorm, and then the lip gloss and creme brulee. Oh my god. So we're actually here at Earth Cafe. I'm gonna put on these hoops right here. I deadass washed it today and then put on the curlers today. So look how cute. And then you already know, bitch. I'm gonna do like a cute little reel too. It's like a transition one, so you guys are gonna see. Oh, there's no line. What? Bitch, you won't believe what number I am. I'm not making this shit up, yo. But if you guys never been to Earth Cafe, bitch. Oh, what am I doing? Why don't I sit in the side? Hello. Ooh. Okay. If you've never been to Earth Cafe, you have to get the pizza. I guess it's called the Diablo, but it has jalapenos on it. And then I asked for a green drink, so I want to match the bag. Like, it's so cunt. Get the shit out of here. You see it? You see it? So we're back in the tessie. Gonna do a couple touch-ups. What is she writing down? The fuck? Oh. This bitch just wrote down my license plate number. She wrote down the person in front of us down too. Dude, if I get a fucking ticket because of this dumb bitch, like, oh fuck. Oh my god, Granny. She gives no fucks. I drove all the way up, like, to a neighborhood up the hills, and bitch, it is so beautiful. Like, self-driving all the way down, like, it's so fucking beautiful. Like, I love this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at it. Laguna is my favorite fucking place to drive around. I'm so glad I don't have a gas car. Whoa. That's a street option? What the fuck? Oh my god. I hope people can see me coming out. Oh my gosh. my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please. Okay. Oh my god. Something fucking scraped so bad on the bottom. I'm stressed out. Shit's so beautiful.
Look, yeah. To all the super triggered women talking down on me, relax, drink some water. Starting QB, then they gon' wanna feel before the game. Just practicing. What happened to celebrate a state?
So guys, I said I knew a spot. It's my parking structure at home. Yeah, I took my pictures. Those will be up on the gram, desvlogs, and then on my second account, desvlogs with 2 Ds. I guess I'm just gonna use that account to post more like pictures, I guess, that I didn't post on the main. Yeah, because it doesn't let me collaborate the fucking pages or the pictures or whatever, so I fucking guess. But yeah, if you guys made it to the end, this is how a day goes. Day of my life, pretty much. It's lit. I love what I do, so period. You could too, bitch. You just gotta be a bad bitch and you gotta be healed. You gotta do the work. You know what I mean? But until then, you know what I mean? It's up to you. But yeah, I love you guys so fucking much. You guys gotta stay tuned for the videos that I have for you this month. Like, bitch, it's gonna be lit. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit down below, and I'll see you bad bitches in the next video. Love you guys.